I'm gonna do an unboxing from the last coat. Let's see what we got here. Excuse the one-hand operation. Okay. Let's see what we got. Alright, so you get your important note about cleaning dirty cars. Looks like they care right off the bat. Put that right there. A sweet decal, so you can rep. Let's see what this is. Okay. Give you directions and what you can use it on. It's pretty sweet. No questions. Oh, sweet. You get a 20% off coupon. It's pretty awesome. So this is the product right here. Okay, cool. So the actual bottle has directions too, in case you lose that flyer they sent out with it. Again, the coupon code is on here, so that's awesome. Nice quality microfiber, which is pretty sweet. Usually don't see that. Usually you get some crappy microfibers when you get them in a kit, but this is definitely high quality. Tapered ends. See if it passes my test. And it does. There are no tags on this. So we can move up to the sprayer. Okay, cool. Seems like decent quality. Doesn't feel like it's gonna break after the first time you use it. Straw. Nice. Has a filter in it, just in case. Ooh. Nice. Another high quality microfiber. I'll lay that one right here. As you can see what we got. So that's cool. You can apply with one and then buff with the other so you don't get confused. Just a quick overview of what we got. 2 microfibers. The last coat itself, the regular top for storage if you want. I recommend just leaving the spray top on itself. An awesome decal and a coupon code, and all that leads to a result like this. Oh, I can see myself. I use it on everything. And yep, that's about it. Thanks, everybody.